You don't need months to change your life, not weeks, not even days. You need one moment, one decision, one honest day where you stop lying to yourself and finally face what's holding you back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make that day happen. It's raw, it's real, and it works. Here's a question nobody asks. Are you really stuck, or are you just avoiding the truth? Think about it. Most of us aren't broken. We're buried under distractions, overstimulation, and endless noise. Our minds are racing 24/7, but deep down, we feel empty. Why? Because clarity doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing less. But that's scary, isn't it? The idea of being alone with your own thoughts? The good news? It's not as terrifying as it seems. The bad news? It's the only way out. The first step is simple. Disconnect. For one day, no phone, no social media, no distractions. Just you, your thoughts, and maybe a notebook. It'll feel weird at first, like something's missing, but that's the point. The silence you're avoiding is the truth you need. Imagine clearing out a cluttered room. At first it's chaotic, but eventually you see the space you've been missing. That's what happens when you disconnect. Your mind finally has room to breathe. Now comes the hard part, honesty. Stand in front of a mirror, look into your eyes, no affirmations, no music, just stillness, and ask yourself, who am I pretending to be? This isn't about guilt or shame. It's about peeling back the layers you've built to survive, the mask you wear to fit in, to feel accepted, to avoid failure. It's heavy, isn't it? But here's the thing. The life you want can't exist if you're too busy pretending to be someone else. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 things. 1, a habit you know is holding you back. 2, a situation or person that drains your energy. 3, a lie you keep telling yourself. Done? Good. Now destroy it. Rip it up, burn it, shred it, whatever feels powerful to you. Why? Because this isn't just a list, it's a promise, a signal to your subconscious that you're done with the old you, and now we rebuild. This is where transformation happens. Set a timer for 60 minutes and divide it into 3 parts. Move, run, stretch, or push yourself physically, whatever gets your blood flowing. Dump, write down every thought in your mind, no matter how messy or random. Breathe. Sit in silence. No distractions, just your breath. By the end, you'll feel it. Clarity, power, presence. Like you've reset something deep inside. At the end of your day, stand in front of the mirror again. This time, don't ask questions. Instead, say these words. Thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect, but for being present. For giving yourself the gift of honesty and effort, something most people never do. Here's the truth. The hardest part of change isn't starting. It's being honest about why you haven't started yet. One day of focus, one day of truth, can change the trajectory of your life. So here's my challenge. Give yourself that day. No distractions, no excuses, just one day. And when you do, come back and tell me. What did you discover? What changed? Because the life you want is waiting. All it needs is for you to show up. Feel that? Then like, share, and subscribe. Let's build something real.